What's good, everyone? Welcome at our first 5-minute mod tutorial. Today we're gonna have a look at some loadouts for console DayZ. This is only for console. PC works differently, and I'll provide some example files. The link is in the description for that, which will show you everything you need. It's very simple. We have a building character in the files. It's Bob. You could use that and work from there to make your own creation. And we have a geared character which has guns and attachments on the weapons, and it also has battery in the scopes already. So if you want to set something like that up for a PvP server or an event, something different, you know, I don't know, you can do whatever you want with these files, adjust on how you like. And I'm gonna show you where to put this all. It's very simple. We only need 2 locations in the server files. Let's go to your server, and then you go into DayZ PS missions. Choose Chernowers if you're using Chernowers, or Enoch if you're using Livonia, and then go to your custom map and load the JSON there of the loadout you want to use. In this example we use the geared guy. And yeah, you can make your own creation. You can rename it as well. Just make sure you copy that name with the .json, because we'll need it in the other file to say to the game, like, hey, spawn this loadout when you spawn a fresh player. In the CFG gameplay.json, that's in your DayZ offline Chernowers Plus, not in the custom map. CFG gameplay.json, you'll see disable personal light false, and then below that's the line we need. And it might be the case that this spawn gear preset files is not within your CFG gameplay.json. It could be the case because you're using older files, older version, who knows. You can just add this line. So make sure that's in the files too, so you can just copy it and put it over here. And afterwards you save that and restart your server. After that the loadout is going to be present in your server with the geared guy. So if you do a respawn or you die, you will spawn back into the game with the AK, all the ammo. You're the geared guy. Let's say you're gonna change the loadout files itself to a different gun, new items, different clothing, you name it. Afterwards you can always validate the JSON. And how that works is you just copy all the text in the JSON file, not the file itself. You go to internet, you go to a .json validator, and you can paste all the text in there from that loadout file, or even from the CFG gameplay.json file. If you add the small line in there, you can always validate that whole file or a loadout you created to check if it's valid. If the validator says it's valid, most of the time it's working, so it shouldn't be a problem. If something might still be wrong, not that big of a deal. So don't worry if it's not working, just remove the file after you stop the server again, of course. And yeah, just check, validate, and if you ever have problems with it, feel free to join our Discord as well. We have a modding role section where you can ask questions and see more about files. Enjoy it, and I hope you guys have a great day.